Welcome back, everybody. In this video we are going to get that enemy to patrol between the patrol points. Let's jump into Visual Studio, and to make him patrol we are going to need a few things. We're going to need to have a float move speed so that we know how fast he should be patrolling around the place.
Sweet.
We are going to need to know what our target position is. Vector 3 target position. When we get to a patrol point, we want to know how long we should wait at that patrol point for. So public float time, patrol wait time. Now if we're going to do that, we need to know how long he should wait for, so we'll put in total, and we also need to know how long he has been there for so far, which we will track with current. And we need to know which of the patrol points we should be moving to next, which we should take care of that with public int patrol route index.
Right.
Okay, let's get into this one. So let's go, if we are stationary, if we are overall set to do stationary stuff, then we just chill out and do nothing.
Yep.
But if we're patrolling, then we will update our movement, which if I can hit the correct button, that would be great. Let's go, now when we want to move to patrol point, we can actually just go to player and take player's move code. Let's just steal it. Move to player. Okay, I will click you the long way then. Update movement. Move to target.
Cool.
Let's take all of this code. Bring it back into move to patrol point, and we can say this will make sure we are looking in the correct direction. We are looking at it. Yes, we're going to actually move ourselves towards that patrol point, and if we are close enough, then we will go close enough to our position closity threshold. You're still giggling at that, aren't you, Nick?
It's so funny.
Alright. Public flight position closity threshold, we need that one as well. And now state movement, we are not going to be doing player state.movement, we will be enemy state.movement patrolling station. No, wrong state. We will be moving state patrol equal to state patrol scanning. So now we will move to our position. When we are at that position, we will then scan around. So let's jump over to scan area, which will be a very simple one of time patrol wait time current plus equal to time dot delta time, and we'll say if time patrol wait time current is bigger than or equal to time patrol wait time total, then we have been scanning the area for long enough. Whoops, wrong brackets. Curly brackets, which will now be patrol points, patrol route index. We'll move on to the next index. Now we need to make sure that we are not going to be out of bounds of our index or of our array list. So if we're at position 4, then we can't go to position 5 because we've only got 4 inside of it.
Some mod.
So if patrol route index is bigger than patrol points dot count. I have called one patrol route and one patrol points, so I'm going to change the name of patrol route index to patrol points index. Now it's whinging at me why new name is not a valid identifier. Sure it is.
Is it a problem? It doesn't.
Patrol points index.
I
think it's just because the code wasn't compiling. Okay, cool. Yeah, if anyone wasn't sure what that one was, that's Control R. Control R lets you change the name of it, and then it'll change the name everywhere. Your code has to be in a compilable state. So if I go indexable, and now it's renamed it everywhere. So we can go back to the source field, and it says I've been changed over here as well. Kind of handy. So Control R and index.
Cool.
Now I just got to find where I was. This one.
So what?
If we are over the top of it, then we'll go patrol points index is equal to 0. So that'll just get us back to where we should be. So reset the loop.
Okay, that'll do.
And now once we've done, if we've waited long enough and we've increased the index, then we should set our move target. So set move target, which is going to be patrol points. We'll take the index that we want, patrol points index. Now that's a game object that it's returning, so we can say .transform .position, and now we should set ourselves back to patrolling, actually moving to the target. State patrol is equal to enemy state patrol dot moving to patrol point. Now we need to set this set move target. So control full stop enter. What's up?
No, I think that makes sense. Cool. I think you're just going a bit quick. It's all good. It's all good.
This part?
No, I mean I know what's going on. It's all good.
Okay, cool. This one is going to be what? Set move target. So set move target is target position is equal to position. We'll call this target position. New target position. Done.
Wait, so that's called from move to patrol. Wait, what's
So in scan area,
Yep.
chill out and wait for as long as it takes.
Yes.
If we say wait there for 2 seconds, if
Yep.
you've been waiting for 2 seconds, then it is time to move to the next patrol point. So
Yep.
we go to the next point,
Yep.
and then we'll say set move target to whatever
the
patrol
next
point's index is going to be.
Okay, and then what's really the difference? Then what's move to patrol point then? Because if we've already got
This is saying set the position that we should move to, and this one is going
actually
to
move to it.
in
Okay,
there.
I see.
Make sure we're looking at it and move towards it.
Yep, cool.
Okay, what else are we missing in this one? We're moving to the target. We have got patrol the route. Are we missing anything? I don't know.
We're not.
When in doubt, just try and run it and see what goes on. Whoops, wrong one. Let's go back to Unity. Get rid of that one. And go to the enemy. The enemy has a bunch of patrol points. He can move at a speed of 5. His target position is pretty cool. His closity threshold will make that 0.1.
Yep.
Patrol points index is he will aim for the first one, which is this object, and that
0.
object is over there. Oh, they're all way in the air.
Oh, good.
What are you doing up there? Oh, because I put this
Wait,
guy.
why is? Oh, right. The Y's not.
Hang on, I forgot to zero my patrol route object before I index them.
And now they're nice.
And now they're all around the place. So now we've moved it down, and everything else will move around as well. Okay, put you out there. So the enemy is now ready to move. Is he? We've got patrol points index. How long should he wait at each position for? You should wait there for 1 second. And you are going to start off in the move to patrol point time. Save that. Let's press play. See what happens. Do we get any errors? Switch to game mode. And where are you heading to?
Where are our points?
This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4.
What?
Why didn't you
can
go
I see it
towards
at
the
a different
player?
like angle?
Yeah, let's grab that camera.
I mean, if we copied player info,
Main camera. Move up. I'm gonna make that enemy just be out a little further so that we can see him on the screen at the start. Okay, play. Oh, target position is set to 0, 0, 0.
Oh,
and
he
the
goes
player
to
is at
okay,
the 0.
Cool.
So when we were in the start object, stop showing that. Where is it? When we were in this one, in enemy.start, void start, we should set the initial patrol point. What's happening here?
What is that?
I don't know what I've done. You go away, and the world is good again. Set patrol point. Set. Move to target. Can't remember what I call my method. Set move target. You, give me that piece of code. There we go. So wherever you are, go to the first patrol point as soon as you start.
Cool.
And we should also tell your state to be state patrol equal to state patrol dot moving to patrol point. Good. Play. Go left. Yay! And we'll just watch him move around a bit.
Just make sure he's doing what he should
He's
be
doing, and to make sure we can make him go a bit
he
faster.
he didn't wait the scan point.
You're right, he didn't. He's going behind there. So let's check out what we've done wrong there. which was when he was patrolling around the place, scan area, we forgot to actually tell the current time to reset itself. It's equal to 0f. So we've increased it, and now it's big enough, and so it's always going to be over that limit.
That makes sense, yeah.
Alright, go back here. I'm going to set him to be a bit faster so you don't take ages on your patrol. Play. Beep. Chill, and we can see that skip back to 0 down here.
Oh, sweet. Fancy.
Alright, cool. This is all working. That is our enemy patrolling around. In the next video, we will make it so that the enemy can actually see the player. Before we move on, I'm going to set him to a nice lazy stroll, speed 5. And I will take this enemy. Currently, he's still kind of the same prefab as the player, but just the changed one.
Yep.
So I'm going to drag him to his own prefab. Now we have an enemy prefab who is actually an enemy, and the player who is actually a player.
Sweet.
Okay, that is a good place to stop. So let's finish off this video, and we'll see you in the next one.
Alright, see ya.